This is the Genesis Electrified GV70. Featuring the latest electric driving technology, the Electrified GV70 offers a high-performance boost drive mode. There will be a button labeled Boost equipped on the bottom of the steering wheel. Pressing the button enables Boost Mode, a 10-second duration driving mode, which temporarily increases power and enables rapid acceleration during passing maneuvers. Boost Mode should always be used in a safe and responsible manner. Note that Boost Mode will not be functional when there is a motor or battery malfunction or when the battery state of charge is below 25%. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.